Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Lassù in montagna, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 seppellire lassù in montagna, sotto l'ombra di un bel
If I be out where I'm Johnny, all I know what it is. Actually, I don't give a shit. I'm up now, my old minute. Little cup in my feel it. Living what I like, I don't give a shit. Brain muscles, cigarette, white boy, waiting, cold. But my friend in love, what is it? I'm English, I'm so dead. Yo, Tim, kill it, I'm lit. Person, when they come, they love it. They get busy, they keep my say for a living. Together.
A dollar might turn to a million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Be the last one out to get this dough. No way, love one of you bucket-headed hoes. No way, hit the streets and we break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We hit 100k!
So we made a slime cake to celebrate.
Using clay for the layers, we used real cake tins to mould it.
Pushing them out the tins was literally so satisfying.
Here's Oscar icing them using a pink butter slime.
Each layer had sprinkles in between them and we stacked them up one by one.
For the icing, we used shaving foam and dyed it purple to match our logo.
This kind of got messy. We piped on 100k and added moon sprinkles. This was so messy again.
The first slice was for me. Time to destroy it. Thank you guys so much for 100k. It means the world to us.
Stay tuned on our account for the giveaway.